So hello everyone, myself Brijesh Yadav. In the previous video, I have discussed about variables and data types. So today we will discuss about some more topics like if-else condition, elif condition, and along with that, today I also discuss about topics like loops. So using these both concepts, today I will also solve some problems which help you to build your logic strongly. So before that, I just want to teach you about one more thing that how to take input from the user. So for that, I am just going to create one more file user.java, and after that it will automatically create the class, and after that I am going to write a main function. So if you want to take input from the user, then it is important for you to write a line in the try block, and in the bracket you have to write scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in, and along with this you need to import one more thing, which is a package as import java.util.scanner, and after that here you have to write that what type of data type you want to take as input. As I want to take input as integer data type, so I am writing here a is equal to sc dot next int, and after that I am taking another variable as input from the user sc dot next int, and I want to print the sum of these both the numbers. So I am simply writing a plus b. So if I am going to run this program, so here I have to give two input. One is 3 and another is 4, and it will print the sum. So in this way, we will take input from the user. So if you want to take input as a string type, then there is one more concept like string name is equal to ram, and after that I want to take another string name is equal to Sam. Now I want to connect this both the name. Okay, so I am just writing here name plus space plus name. Let's see what happens. So as we see here, it is printed ram sam. So this is a concept of concatenation in string, which we will discuss further in the video. So I'm just going to move towards, and after this we will solve basic problems of loop. Firstly, I think there is a need to solve basic problems of if-else condition. After that, we will solve loop problem. So I'm just going to solve one more problem, which is to take input from the user a person age, and if that person age is less than 18, then that person is eligible for voting, and if that person age is above or less than 18, then that person is not eligible for voting. So I'm just creating another function file as voting.java, and simply I'm just copying all these things, and I am just pasting here. Actually you are a beginner, so I just want to write all the things. Okay, so I am just creating some more function. This is the main function. After that I have to use try block scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in, and after this I have to also import the package import java.util.scanner. This is important for you to import this package whenever you are going to take the input from the user. So here I think it is system now. So I am just going to use if condition. If before if I have to take each input sc dot next int. This is important because we are taking integer type data as input. Greater than 18 is out. Person is eligible for voting. Else not eligible. BL, IGIBLE. So I think here is some. So now everything is fine. So I am just going to give the input to the user and let's see what happens. So I'm just right here 45. So as we can see here it is showing as person is eligible for voting. So this is the basic if else condition and this is the problem using which you can easily understand this problem. So in the next problem I am just going to use a loop which is for loop and I am just going to solve one problem sum of natural number. So natural dot java is the file in which we have to write the code and here I think now it is correct. So I am just going to create one more file as public class natural and after that I am writing the main function public static void main string args and after that. So in this problem it is important for me to add a try block because I want to take input from the user. So enter scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. So after this I am taking integer n as input dot next int and here I am just going to use a for loop. So it is important for me to import the package import java.util.scanner. This is important whenever you are solving a problem and taking input in that problem. So here it is import.java.util.scanner. So I think now it is fine. So I'm just taking for loop and this is the initialization condition I is equal to 1 and I is less than equal to 1. This is condition check. After that output will be printed. After that it will increment I plus plus and after this I have to write one more thing here. So if you want to add sum of natural number, so it is also important for you to take a variable as name is equal to 0. Let's take each as int sum is equal to 0. So now I'm assigning the value sum is equal to sum plus I and after this I am just going to print this sum. So I think now everything is fine. So let's import this again. Import java dot util dot scanner. We do not have to add dot in starting after import. So for that reason it is showing problem. So let's run this problem and see what happened. Firstly, I am going small output 4. It will print 10. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1. So this is the basic problem. So I am just going to solve one more problem, which is to print the even number, all the even number till the user enter. So I am just, this function class is already created. I am just starting the main function, and after this I have to write, I have to take the input from the user again. So I am just writing here try block scanner sc is equal to new scanner. Each and every time it is important for you to write this line whenever you are taking the input from the user. So learn this line, and after this inside this I am taking int n is equal to sc dot next int. After this again there is a need of loop int I is equal to 1. Actually we want to print the even number. So just think even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. So each and every time we have to add plus 2 to previous number. So I am just writing I is equal to 2, I is less than equal to n, I plus is equal to 2. So this is a operator which I will discuss in the next video, but I have to print this out I. So here again we have to import the class. So for that reason it is showing error. Just importing. I am just importing the class import java dot util dot scanner. So now everything is fine, I think. So let's just solve the problem. It will smaller. It will okay. So let's just run the problem. I am just giving the input 5. It will print 2 and 4. So in this problem, if you put here 1, then this will print the sum of all, not sum, but all the odd number. Like if I am giving the input 5, it will print 25. And if you want to do the sum, then you need a slight change on it, which is you have to write, take the variable and assign the value 0 here. And inside this, you have to write sum is equal to sum plus I, integer type. This you have to print the sum. Let's run this problem and give input to the user as 5. So sum of odd numbers are 9, I think. 5 plus 3 plus 1. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. So this is the absolutely correct problem. So let's see another problem, which is a factorial problem. Let's solve factorial problem, which is an important problem, which comes in your semester exams many times. So here I have created the file factorial, and I am just going to create a main function. Again we need a try block. So I'm just writing try block here. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in, and I am taking one more variable as input sc dot next int. Actually my speed is really slow, so I'm really sorry for this, because it is important that you will understand properly this problem. So I have already taken, and you need to use a loop int I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to. Actually, you notice one thing. If you are solving the problem of factorial, then notice that if you want to take the factorial of 6, then output is like 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So from back we have to come to start. So I am writing here n, and it will come to 1, and we have to decrement. So this decrement and increment is a operator. I will discuss further in the video. So simply you have to do one thing. You have to take a variable and assign this variable value 1, and this is an integer type. So after this you have to simply multiply factorial is equal to factorial into I. This will each and every time multiply all the numbers, and after that you have to factorial. And here you have to import the package. Import java.util.scanner. So now everything is fine. Let's run this problem. I am giving input as 5. So it is showing 120, which is absolutely correct problem. So I think if you want to discuss one more thing, that if you want to print the name of the day, if user enter 1, then output will be Sunday. If user enter 2, output will be Monday. So I am just creating one more. In this problem, we will learn about switch case. So I am just creating one more file as d.java, and after this I am going to creating the main function. In the main function, I am also going to write try block is equal to new scanner system.in, and after this we have to take int t as your input. So after this you have to use switch functions. So you have to write simply here switch, and after that here you have to give the day, and here you have to write the value. I'm just writing value, and if user enter 1, it will print Sunday. So it will printing Sunday, and if user enter case to Monday. After that you have to break. So basically break is a condition which starts which left your program execution after this statement, after this line, and after that this is a default. So if you enter another number, then it will print that you have written default. Like if I write numbers other than 1 or 2, then it will simply print default. So here I have to default. Let's see what happened. Actually I think there is a need to import the package also. Import java.util.scanner. It is important for you to import. So I have already imported the package. Let's see. Here S will be capital. Now everything is clear. Let's run this problem. It have printed already Sunday. So this is the basic problem. So I think this is enough for you. I will discuss about all the things further in the next video.